Well, I think you're good to go.
Good. Thank you. Dr. Snow?
It's Caitlin.
Caitlin. Nice to meet you. I'm Ronnie.
Nice to meet you, Ronnie. Come back anytime.
It's nice to know that you'll always be there to fix me up. It's nice to know that you'll always be there to fix me up. There to fix me up. Okay, because when I look at you, I see forever. And I want forever to start right now.
Did we throw it all away? Did we light too many matches? Turn ourselves into these ashes? Did we throw it all away? Did we throw it all away?
Tell me your name.
Ronnie Raymond.
Is there a way out? Is there a way out? We walk through the fire. Is there a way out? Is there a way out? I try to understand.
You will always risk your life to try and help people. And I will always be the guy that runs into that pipeline for you.
In the middle of the storm,
We love you.
there's nowhere to go. Right straight through the smoke. And the fight is all we know.
I love you,
The
Kate.
fight is all we know. Did we take too many chances? Did we let too many pass us? Did we throw it all away? Did we throw it all away? Did we light too many matches? Turn ourselves into these ashes? Did we throw it all away? Did we throw it all away? We walk through the fire.
Get out of here!
No, not without you.
I'm right behind you! Go! The world's different now. Like, I thought we could get away, start a new life, a normal life together, but there is no normal life for us.
Ronnie? If you want to help me, I'll save you. It's you. It's really you.
Not Ronnie.
Where's my husband?
He's dead.
Is there a way out?
Frost died.
Is there